Good, good afternoon, everyone. Today is such a special day for all of us. On behalf of all of the leaders, I would like to thank all the people behind our success. First, I want to say thank you to Jesus for all the blessings and for everything that you have done. Second, to my teachers who have taught us so many things and always made us happy and excited to come to school. Thank you for all your hard work, patience, care, and love. Second, next, I want to say thank you to our parents, grandparents, and guardians. You always supported us and helped us prepare for school each day. Thank you for being there every step of the way. We love you very much. To my classmates, thank you for all the joyful memories we had shared inside and outside the classrooms. Thank you for the games we have played and the food we have shared. You have made every day fun, which made me want to stay longer in school. To our guards, we appreciate all the ways you have protected us in this school year. I feel so happy and honored to be here with all of you. Thank you to everyone and congratulations to all.
Thank you, Fran, for that heartwarming message. We really have a lot to be thankful for. The memories through the years, the many times together, full of laughter and unforgettable experiences. And as a souvenir of your achievements and a memory of all the hard work and dedication, here is our little surprise for you. So that you all watch
Oh, kiss
this.
daddy, kiss daddy, kiss daddy.